G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Two quick things today. First of all, FBA costs, what does it include? And you may be using the eGrow tool, you may be playing around with it, you've probably gone through module number one, you're like, this is great. It tells me the sale price, it tells me the turnover, it tells me the profitability. But what is this FBA cost? What does it include, right? So I'm going to tell you right now what it does include, because some people are a bit unsure about what it does, like what encompasses the FBA, like the net cost, right? It is the shipping to the customer. It does include that. It includes the picking, packing of the order. It includes the storage of the product as well, and any customers' returns, that kind of thing. It includes that. So when you see the retail value is $34.95 and the net amount is $29, that $5 or $6 fee, what that is essentially the costs of running the business, of storing a product, shipping it to your customer, and handling the admin work. All right, so that's the first point I want to make. Second point is signing up to multiple marketplaces. We've got students who want to sell in UK, Germany, USA, and Australia, right, as well as Tokyo. Now, it changed recently. You can now sign up with one email address, right? So you used to have a different email address for each different one for the USA store, one for the Australian store, but now you just need one email address, all right? So you can actually have one email address for all stores, all right? So just letting you know, a quick update about that. And that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.